You guys are not ready for this. Oh my goodness, we're finally here at Speedwerkz. Oh my gosh, look at this 650S out here. Oh wow, that blue is gorgeous in the sun. Guys, we're gonna go in here right now and you're gonna be in for a treat. I know it. I just know it. Speedwerkz. Here we go, baby. Let's go.
We're out here at Speedwerkz in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. That's a really cool poster. Look at that Pagani, man, it's sick. But I'm getting the VIP experience here right now. Oliver, thank you, man, for the hospitality. This is amazing, dude. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Really cool, I love it. We're going up here, oh my goodness. Don't touch the cars, but I will. I can, well, I'm just playing. I'm gonna be respectful. They have some really cool artwork here, man. Look at this, that is sick. Rotating platform with the Viper. Nicely done, man. We got another McLaren over there. Look at this thing. Wow, that is sick. 675 LT in Naper green. Very, very nice color. Yeah, here we go. Get the full experience. And we have an Huracan Eagle. That's sick. This car is so popular, man. Look at this thing.
And we'll come back to all these cars, guys, in a minute. I'm just taking it all in because this place is freaking cool.
We're gonna go this way. Rotating. Let it rotate.
Oh my God, guys, I'm just overwhelmed right now in a good way because this is so cool. I don't even know what to say. I'm just looking at all these cars right now. I know I'm gonna talk about it in a minute, but I just want to look at them first and take it all in because, oh my God, look at this car, a GT2. Wow. Ah, I love it here. I'm in heaven.
This place is sick, guys. It's pretty cool here, man. They also have the stimulators, man. You can enjoy racing on this thing.
Well, clearly this gentleman here is having a lot of fun, and why wouldn't you? Racing stimulators, guys. This is freaking cool. If you're in Tennessee, swing by and check this place out. Seriously, guys, it's so cool. Now, let's go talk about this Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spider in the Grigio Lynx color. That thing is gorgeous. I love that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spider. Incredible car. I like this one and I also like the Evo over there. But we're not done yet. I will talk about the Supra in a minute, guys.
Alright, which Lamborghini would you take? This one? Right here? Or would you take the orange one over there? Either or. What I really love about this place is the artwork, guys. That's a sick photo, man. That's this car right here in action. And then I have a beautiful Carrera GT over there. Wow, and that's SLS, man. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is sick.
My sources are telling me this car is worth 200K. You believe that? The Supra is 200K.
Well, I think this is a 2017 Dodge Viper ACR. And look how cool it looks, man. Something about the actual, you know, I'm shooting blanks here. The hood that opens up like that looks like a transformer. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. But this is sick. Alright, so I was the first person to do a video of this place back in 2022. So I'm so happy to be here and enjoy this moment with these beautiful people here. Oliver, thank you for the experience, my friend. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is amazing. The artwork here is wild, man. I just can't believe this is a really cool poster. Look at this SLS. That's so sick. And they have a GT over here, Carrera GT in the photo. Around that, they have the Performante over there in action. You can see it up close. And of course, they have this thing here, which I love. Aston Martin. They got a GT2 RS. I don't know what year that is, but that's sick. They got a Supra. This thing is wild. The Viper. This place is so freaking cool, man. Congrats to Oliver, Ryan, Justin. I know there's 4 of you guys that decided to open up this cool showroom. You know, it's just amazing. It's like a museum in here, man. In Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This is a museum in Gatlinburg, Tennessee of supercars, sports cars. I know they have some hypercars that we're gonna go check out in a minute. But before I go down there, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment below which car up here do you like the most. Viper, McLaren, Huracan Evo, the Supra, the Performante, or the GT2 RS over there. Which one of these do you like the most? I'm gonna do a B-roll of all of them, all these cars combined, and drop a comment below and let me know which one do you like the most, okay? I want to say, for me, it's gotta be that one. You already know that. I love Lamborghini, and that is just a really cool Lamborghini, a performante. But then before we go downstairs, I want you guys to comment below on this one first. Racing simulators here, state of the art, man. Look at this thing with the actual sparkle seats and an actual racing steering wheel. Wow, I love the 3 screens though. That's pretty cool. When we go over here, look at the technology, man, from Alienware. This is wild, dude. And they have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You know, even surround sound. And that one has surround sound. I think this one's like for a different type of track, maybe. I don't know. But they have higher speakers up here. This is sick. I'm not gonna try this because one time I did over at Sim Racing in Algonquin, Illinois. I did these things and I got so dizzy, almost passed out, man. Okay, I see the difference. These two have a screen like this, see? Where the 2 over there have 3 screens. So this is for more of an experience of an actual race car in here. Think about it. It's pretty sick though. Pretty sick though. Part of me wants to jump in there and do it, but I'm also scared, man. That's so cool, dude. Look at that. Sick, man. Very sick. You guys gotta come out and check out this place here in Gatlinburg, man. Speedwerkz, man. They have such a cool showroom here. That is sick. I cannot get over the layout of this thing. Look at this. I'm doing a video for you, buddy. I gotta make a video for you guys, man. Working here? Yeah. Is that fun? Yeah. All right. There we go. One side of the Huracan Evo. All right. That was fun. And the Huracan Evo. This thing, this car is cool, man. I like it. All right, guys. So that was fun. Upstairs was really cool. Now I'm gonna show you guys something even better. Look at this thing. That is so sick. Wait until you see what I'm looking at. Oh my God. Check this out. This is freaking cool. You're gonna be amazed. Oh my goodness. This is literally an alien ship showroom. All the alien ships are down here. All the spaceships. This is cool. Check this out.